All right, guys, we're going to take a quick look at how to use the tools to add text within your text, to do your citations within your text. So if you have done what I have begged you to do multiple times so far, right now you already have, before you start typing your essay, all of your sources that you're going to use in your essay over here in your current list. You've gone to new, you've picked the type of source that you're using, you've put in the information, hit OK, and then it generates your citation and adds them to your list. Now, right now, I can see this check mark shows me that I have already actually used this text within my paper, but I'm going to add more citations yet because I'm just getting started. And I know that I need to have 4. One's going to be my original text, and then 3 is going to be where I went to get information for other references, for other sources. Okay? So right now, when I look at this here, I see that I have quotation marks here. Anytime that I'm quoting anything, the very bare minimum, if I'm going to add a citation, has got to be whenever I have a quotation mark. If I take something straight from a text, word for word, and include it, I need to add an in-text citation for that. So I'm going to go to the end of this sentence where it ends. And when our citation always goes after the period, after the quotation mark, after whatever we're going to cite, and I'm going to add in my space, and I'm going to go over here to insert citation. And I can do this because it's already in my citation list. And I am going to click on what that source is. So that comes from the book. So this is this one right here. Click on it, and it gives me all of the author's last names without me having to type it. Now, if I have page numbers, I'm going to come back inside the parentheses, and I'm going to add the page number. But for this one, I don't have page numbers. It's a graphic novel, kind of like Wonder Woman was, where we had to write in all the page numbers. So this doesn't have page numbers either. So we're just going to leave it like it is right now. The other citation up here that I could add right now is up here. I already have according to Swords from the Sky, which is the article title, and that's not bad. That's at least some type of citation, but it's always better to have too much than not enough, in my opinion. Now, this isn't in quotation marks because this is a statistic. This is a number. That's a fact. Numbers can't be changed, can't say those in a unique way, so I don't have quotation marks around it, and that's fine. But I still got that from a source. That's still something that I went out and I found and I brought it into here. So I'm going to go over here to make sure my cursor is at the end. Come back up here to insert citation. I'm going to find the source, which is this one right here, is the title, Swords from the Sky. Again, I click on it, and this is an internet article, so there's no page number. I'm going to put a space after it, and then I'm ready for my next sentence, which follows right behind it. Okay, so again, if you haven't taken the time to set up your sources in MLA format within Microsoft Word and using its tools, you need to do it. It's going to make your life a lot easier.